Yeah, hello. My name is Christian Buske. I'm coming from Germany, Ulm University, and I'm here at the 12th workshop on Waldenström's macroglobulinemia in Prague. And yeah, I'm very happy to report about let's say, the core take-home messages of this meeting. So a major topic at this meeting were BTK inhibition. And I think the talks really nicely illustrate that BTK inhibition is one of the cornerstones of treatment of Waldenstrom's macroglobulinemia. We have seen that, let's say, continuous inhibition of BTK by, for instance, zanubrutinib is a very powerful tool for our Waldenstrom patients to control disease. But we also have seen new developments new developments in the sense that we are trying to move from continuous treatment of covalent BTK inhibitors such as zanubrutinib to fixed duration treatment by adding, for instance, to ibrutinib or to zanubrutinib a second partner such as venetoclax, with the idea to, for instance, limit the duration of treatment for up to 2 years. So another actually perspective we have seen is the use of non-covalent BTK inhibitors such as pirtobrutinib. So there are very interesting data showing that also in patients being or becoming resistant to covalent BTK inhibitors, pirtobrutinib is still active with a very nice and low toxicity profile. And we have learned that there is a new class of BTK inhibitors, the so-called BTK degraders. These are early data from phase 1, phase 2 clinical trials, but they show that also in patients being resistant to covalent BTK inhibitors, these drugs are very powerful, very efficient, and also associated with a low toxicity profile. So this just shows that the, let's say, journey of BTK inhibitors is not at its end with ibrutinib or second generation BTK inhibitors such as zanubrutinib, but that the journey continues with the clinical testing of non-covalent BTK inhibitors and also the emergence of BTK degraders.